Hey everyone! I'm so excited you are here. Welcome to my first video. If you've ever wanted to sound more natural in your daily English conversation, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 30 super common phrases that will boost your confidence. So, let's dive in. So, today I'm going to cover 6 essential topics: greetings, daily conversations, shopping, restaurant, cafes, and ending conversation. Let's dive in with greetings. Greetings are all about making a warm first impression. Let's see how to greet people naturally. Number 1, how is it going? Is the casual way to ask someone how they are. For example, hey Sarah, how is it going? Pretty good, thanks. Number 2, what's up? A casual greeting that means what's new or how are you. For example, hey, what's up? Nothing, thanks. Number 3, long time no see. You can use it when you haven't seen somebody for a long time. Hey, long time no see. Yeah, it's been years. Next one is nice to meet you. As you know, you can use it when you meet someone for the first time. I'm Emily. Hi Emily, nice to meet you. Number 5, what's going on? A casual way to ask what's happening or how they are doing. For example, what's going on? Not much, just working. Alright, now we've got greetings down. Let's move on to something that we all experience every single day. Daily conversations. In this part, I'm going to show you some phrases that you can use to speak more naturally. Let's jump in. No worries. You can use it to say, it's okay, everything is fine, don't stress. For example, sorry I'm late. No worries, unless you are 2 hours late. Sounds good. You can use it when you agree with a plan. Let's have a meeting at 7. Sounds good. That makes sense. Use it when something is logical, reasonable, and easy to understand. For example, I didn't go out last night because I was really tired. That makes sense. Exactly. Use it when you completely agree. For example, English takes practice. Exactly. I totally agree. Use it when you strongly agree. For example, reading helps your English. I totally agree. Not really. It's a polite way to say no. For example, are you hungry? Not really, but I can always eat pizza. Now we've covered the daily conversation. Let's switch to something we all enjoy. Shopping. In this part, I'm going to share some handy phrases that help you when you go shopping. Let's go. How much is it? The most important question when you go shopping you have to ask. It's about the price. For example, how much is it? It's $20 or it costs $20. Can I try it on? Ask to wear clothes before buying them, because sometimes it looks great on a hanger, but not on us. I'm just looking. You can use it when you are not ready to buy anything or you just go for window shopping. And sometimes if something is expensive, for example, can I help you? I'm just looking. I'll take it. Say it when you are ready to buy something and when you decide to buy something. For example, it's only $15. It's okay, I'll take it. Do you take cards? If you want to pay with your cards. For example, excuse me, do you take cards? Yes, we do. Alright, we are always hungry after shopping. So let's head to a restaurant and learn some useful phrases for ordering food. But before that, if you're still with me, please comment the word hungry right now. Let's go. Could I see the menu? A polite way to ask for the menu. Excuse me, could I see the menu? Of course, here you are. I'd like. A polite way to order something. For example, I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. Can I get the bill, please? When you are ready to pay, you can use this phrase. Can I get the bill, please? Everything was delicious. Tell someone you really enjoyed the food. Everything was delicious, especially the dessert. I'm a big fan of desserts. Keep the change. If you are feeling generous, you can leave the extra money as a tip. Now we've got restaurant covered. Let's head into a cozy world of cafes. This is my favorite part. But before that, let me know what's your favorite coffee drink. Tell me in the comments. I'm going to teach you some easy phrases for ordering your coffee. Let's go. Can I get a cappuccino, please? You're politely asking to order a cappuccino. I'd like you to go. You're requesting your drink as takeout, not for sitting in. Can I have it iced? Can I have it iced? You want your drink cold with ice. What do you recommend? You're asking the barista recommends. Because choosing a coffee is sometimes harder than choosing a movie. What do you recommend? Our vanilla latte is very popular. Can I get an extra shot of espresso? You're asking an extra shot of espresso for a stronger taste. Of course, some Mondays need 2 extra shots. We've reached the final part, ending a conversation. It's important to wrap up politely and friendly. I'm going to share common phrases we use to end a conversation in a polite and friendly way. Let's get in. Catch you later. It's an informal way to say see you later. Oh, sorry, I have to go. Catch you later. Have a good one. A friendly way to wish someone a good day. Bye. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Say this when you speak again soon. I have to go. No problem. Talk to you later. Have a safe trip. Use it when someone is traveling. For example, I'm flying to Canada tomorrow. Have a safe trip and don't forget your passport. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. Now it's time to say goodbye. But I want to thank each of you for being with me till the end. And before you go, please let me know in the comments which part was interesting and useful for you. I can't wait to hear from you. Love you! Bye-bye!